Hey everybody, this is episode number 1 of this epic desert backyard remodel, and thank you very much for tuning in. I have just bought this house, and in the backyard, there's nothing but gravel. But to me, this backyard is more than just gravel. It's a blank canvas. Welcome to A Degree from YouTube. This backyard contained several different types of gravel, but one rock in particular really caught my eye. 1-inch white ice crushed rock. So what did we decide to do? Collect it. On day 1 of this renovation, we got a bit of a late start. But I knew at some point all this gravel was going to be removed and replaced. Although I thought it would be a complete waste to get rid of all this white ice crushed rock. So I decided that it would be best if we collected a dozen 5-gallon buckets of this beautiful white ice crushed rock. Hopefully at some point during this project, it'll come to good use. Honestly, last night I had no clue what I wanted to do to improve this backyard. But while collecting that white rock, it really gave me a chance to think. And when I woke up this morning, I decided to break ground. Later that afternoon, we decided to go to our local Boulder and Stone shopping center and pick up some pavers, aka stepping stones. I decided to keep these pavers at 4 inches apart, and I did this by running white line between these pink flags you see at the edge of the patio here, running all the way to the back of the fence. In order to keep this pathway nice and straight, I used a straight edge along with a level and a tape measure. As you can see here, I start paving the way to make more space for more pavers. This area in particular is going to be where the fire pit goes. For the walkway, we used an 18 by 24 inch paver. Now, for the barbecue area, we added pavers in that were 24 by 24 inches. Here we are removing gravel and tamping away. This is in order to make a walking path that will eventually lead to a deck and gazebo that will provide a little bit of shade and walking area in this backyard. As you can see here, we start to offset the pavers at a diagonal angle, and in order to do this, you should use a nice square. This path we're creating here will lead to the barbecue area. We were kind of tired of looking at this gray cinder block wall and thought it would be fairly unattractive in the overall result of this backyard remodel, so we picked up these 6 by 8 foot redwood full fence panels that we'll eventually install. Here we had to add 2 more 24 by 24 inch pavers to add to the fire pit area. Hopefully this will make a little bit more sense later. At this point we're just extending the pathway, or the walkway rather, that's going to lead to the barbecue area. This will be kind of an ongoing project, adding pavers here and there throughout the entirety of this remodel. If you've gotten this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is only episode 1 of this epic desert backyard transformation, and if you'd like to come along on the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so the next episode shows up on your home screen.
With